Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, I'm making a barbecue chicken pizza today. I'm going to start by prepping the ingredients that I'm putting on my pizza. First, I'm cutting one chicken breast into smaller pieces. Then I'm going to thinly slice a red bell pepper and half of an onion. I'm also going to cut a spring onion. So now I'm cooking the chicken. I'm going to cook it with some Grill Mate seasoning. I didn't follow the package instructions. I just added the seasoning and cooked as you see here. I'm using my handy dandy tool to break the chicken into even smaller pieces. And I'm going to cook the chicken until it's done and set it aside and move on to my pizza crust. Today I'm using a prepared dough. You can find these in the grocery store or you can make your own pizza dough. Let me know if you'd like me to post a pizza dough recipe. They're very easy. So I'm going to spray my half a sheet pan to keep the crust from sticking, and I'm going to spread the crust out so that it actually fits the pan. Next, I'm going to pre-bake the dough or the pizza crust, and while it's baking, I'm going to mix up my barbecue sauce. Feel free to use your favorite barbecue sauce in this recipe. Once the crust comes out of the oven, I'm going to cover it with the barbecue sauce. Basically, I'm replacing the red pizza sauce with the barbecue sauce. So now I'm going to layer my onions and my red bell peppers on the pizza. I'm making sure to do this evenly so that every bite of pizza has some veggies. So next I'm spooning the chicken over the pizza. Again, try to get the chicken as even as possible because again, you want to make sure that you have chicken in every bite. Now that the chicken is on the pizza, I'm going to add my cheese. I had a pizza blend and some mozzarella in my refrigerator, so I decided to use both of those to cover the pizza. And lastly, I put a little dry parsley on top and pop the pizza in the oven. And this is what it looked like when it came out. I checked to make sure that it was crispy like I like it. And I ended up finishing the pizza off with some extra barbecue sauce. And also with those spring onions that I cut up earlier. This was so delicious. It's a different and alternative take on pizza, and it's also very easy. Use whatever vegetables, barbecue sauce, and cheese that you like. I hope you give barbecue chicken pizza a try. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.